Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you the luck predictions for the Rooster Zodiac in the year 2022. Let's jump right into it. For people born under the zodiac animal sign of the rooster, 2022 will be a year of good fortune. Not only will they inherit and continue the good fortune of the previous year, but also the overall fortune will be on the rise due to the favor of many auspicious stars. Businessmen are not advisable to engage in high-risk investment projects. Otherwise, they will encounter unexpected loss of money. In terms of career, the roosters will have a very excellent career in 2022. Thanks to the favor and support of many lucky stars, they will prosper in whatever industry or professions they choose to pursue. In addition, 2022 will also be a good year for them to change jobs. Those who want to change jobs can put their plan into action. Although the roosters have an overall good fortune this year, their luck in relationship and romance will be just quite ordinary. Marriage will be difficult in the year 2022. As a result, they should postpone their marriage plans. The health fortune of the roosters will be mixed in 2022. The power of the ominous stars of Yang Ren is extremely great, which may cause the risk of injury and surgery for the roosters. Fortunately, the auspicious stars will also come in 2022. The auspicious stars of Ziwei and Longde are of great help to resolve the bad fortunes driven by the ominous stars. Now let's go on to the rooster luck predictions for 2022. Lucky directions are south and east. Lucky colors are pink, blue, and dark green. Lucky numbers are 5, 7, and 8. Well, that's all for now. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. See you next video. Bye!